I'm delighted to announce that ESCP Europe Business School London has just been awarded the 2018 Times Higher Education Prize as Business School of the Year. We were recognised for our response to Brexit and the introduction of a high-impact Rethinking Europe series of events, seminars and lectures. I'm especially pleased that the judging panel gave highlight to the success and impact of our electric vehicle road trip, our EVRT, which combined the wonderful efforts of our student community with our alum and with our business partners in promoting green mobility and sustainable transport. The THE acknowledged us too for program innovation. They gave particular highlight to our introduction of an MBA in International Management and to the growth and success of our International Bachelor, which moves our students across 3 countries and 3 campuses in 3 years. And our Executive Master in Manufacturing Automation and Digital Transformation, in collaboration with an advanced robotics company, Comau. We've done many things, in fact, to respond to the Industry 4.0 agenda, including tech days, special events and the validation of specializations in digital transformation on many of our degree programs. More great news for us as we move into our bicentenary year comes with the FT's placement of ESCP Europe Business School as the 11th ranked on our continent and the 3rd ranked in the United Kingdom. I'd like to thank everybody who's helped to make ESCP Europe's year such a success internationally and here in the UK.